Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on repeatedly asked questions on antifungal drugs. As you all know, antifungal drugs, in our earlier video we have seen the classification. It was really a wonderful classification you might have came across, and the trick was really very beautiful to remember the classification of antifungal drugs. Now, from exam point of view, though the classification is not important of that of antifungal drugs, but then too you will find the classification useful in other chapters such as antibiotics. So antibiotic chapters which we are going to study ahead, in that chapter you will find the answers of many questions from antifungal drugs. So we will start with the questions now. This is the sweetest and shortest chapter of all the chapters of PC2. So first question, it will start with define and classify antifungal drugs. So definition and classification of antifungal drugs we have already seen in our earlier video. For a trick to remember the classification of antifungal drugs, the same answer you are supposed to write as that there in video. Then coming towards the next question, what are antifungal drugs? So antifungal drugs includes the drugs which are used in treatment of fungal infections. So what are all fungal infections, that also you are supposed to mention, that to a one line description of that infections. So this will contribute here what are antifungal drugs. Then give the properties, storage, uses of nystatin and amphotericin B. Now these nystatin or amphotericin B, the question is asked like sometimes they have asked the property, storage and uses of nystatin along with what are antifungal drugs. Sometimes they have asked the property, storage and uses of amphotericin B along with the antifungal drugs. So each point carries one mark. So total 3 marks, and what are antifungal for 1 marks. So property, storage, uses of both the antibiotics, that is nystatin and amphotericin B, which belongs to the polyene antibiotics, is given in detail in antibiotics chapter. So we'll do this descriptive part in antibiotics chapter. Coming towards the next question, name any 3 antibiotics used in treatment of fungal infections. Now here you are supposed to quote the antibiotics which are used against fungal infection, not antifungal drugs. If they are specifying antifungal drugs, you are supposed to write the antifungal drugs. Now here they have mentioned that name any 3 antibiotics which are used in treatment of fungal infections. So you are supposed to name the antibiotics as we have seen in our earlier video, that is पॉलीइन एंटीबायोटिक्स। हेमा मालिनी अमिताभ बच्चन को नाश्ता खिलाने का नाटक कर रही है। हेमाइसिन, एम्फोटेरिसिन बी, निस्टाटिन, नेटामाइसिन. So among these 4 you can mention any 3 antibiotics and name the strains of any one of them. Now the strains are different, like with antibiotic it will vary with respect to the antibiotic. The different strains are like Streptomyces nodosus, Streptomyces norsii, Streptomyces pimprina. All these are the different strains of different antibiotics. So you are supposed to remember it with respect to the antibiotic. So the strains, name of the strains you are supposed to write of that of the antibiotics. That means the antibiotics are derived from which microorganism. So this question carries 2 marks. Naming the 3 antibiotics will carry 1 mark, and naming the strains will carry 1 mark. So total contributes 2 marks. Then coming towards the next question, which is a really very famous question and the favorite most question of the examiners. The question is, give the dosage forms of tolnaftate. So dosage forms you are supposed to write. Then dosage forms of zinc andesylate or andesinoic acid or andesilenic acid. Now this is known by the three different names. It can be known by the zinc undesilinate, then undecenoic acid, and undesilenic acid. So any one of these may be there. So you are supposed to write down the answer. So three of you are supposed to remember that all the three are nothing but the same names, same antifungal drugs. Okay, so dosage forms of tolnaftate plus zinc undesilinate you are supposed to write down. So now see here, dosage forms, that means they have mentioned only dosage forms. That means, for example, tolnaftate exists generally. Now these are the antifungal preparations, so these will exist as topical preparations rather than the orally administered drugs or intravenous preparations. So topical preparations, like it exists in creams, lotions, gels, powders, solutions, etc. And this zinc undesilinate also, again it exists in the dusting powder form. Okay, so all these are topical preparations, so dosage forms also will be topical. And tolnaftate, if official preparations are asked, then you are supposed to remember that they are we have to mention the official books over there. So tolnaftate topical preparations are having all the products from USP. So this is a characteristic feature of tolnaftate, so it will become easier for you to remember the dosage forms. Then give the uses, official preparations of nystatin. Now again see here, nystatin properties and uses were asked in previous questions. So here again official preparations are also being asked of that of nystatin. So complete nystatin and as well as amphotericin B we are going to study in the chapter called as antibiotics. So here uses, writing the uses will carry 2 marks and official preparations will carry 1 mark. Total carries 3 marks. Then describe the fungal or mycotic infections. Now describe fungal. So fungal infections, as you have seen in our earlier video, they are also known as mycotic infections. So either of these two words can be there, either fungal infections or mycotic infections. So you are supposed to describe fungal or mycotic infections as I have described in the video. Same way you are supposed to describe, only the thing is that you are not supposed to mention the tricks. Then name any 3 antibiotics or antifungal drugs. Now see here, they have asked the names of any 3 antibiotics as we have discussed earlier: polyene antibiotics, hemicin, nystatin, amphotericin B, natamycin. Any 3 of these you can mention, or sometimes they may ask you like this also, that name any 3 antifungal drugs. So antifungal drugs, any azole you can mention, like fluconazole, itraconazole, whatever it may be, what cotrimoxazole. Okay, so oxyconazole, miconazole, iconazole. Any important azole you can mention while writing down the antifungal drug. Now mentioning the names carries 2 marks. Sorry, describing the infections will carry 2 marks here, and mentioning the names will carry 1 mark. So this way it will carry 3 marks. So next we will go, since as I have already told you that this is a very short and sweet topic. So this complete drug except structure, nystatin, amphotericin B, in detail we are going to cover in the antibiotic, and the dosage forms of these 2 drugs are really very important, that is tolnaftate and zinc undesilinate, plus classification along with the 2 small questions, that is strains of the microorganism from which they are derived, antibiotics, and describing the fungal infections. With this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions on the antifungal drugs. Thank you.